Good day, everyone. So, for Part 1, our first topic is all about physical fitness. Basically, physical fitness is the ability of an individual to carry out daily tasks efficiently with enough capacity to cope with the physical needs of life. It is the ability of the body to perform a task vigorously with alertness and without feeling tired. So, basically speaking, when you are physically fit, you are capable to do things without due fatigue. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi kayo mabilis mapagod when you are physically fit kasi inaalagaan nyo yung sarili nyo at the same time, you know kung ano lang yung capacity ng inyong katawan. So, when you are also physically fit, you are alert and you don't feel tired kahit kakagising mo pa lang. When we talk about physical fitness test, it is a component of physical education that measures a fitness level. This is an identification of strength and weaknesses in terms of fitness. Talking about physical fitness test, we are talking about a certain exercises that we need to do. So when we perform specific exercises, we're going to determine when we're going to determine when you perform the physical fitness test, we're going to determine what are your strengths and your weaknesses. Kung bakit natin masasabi that you are physically fit or you're not physically fit. In physical fitness, we have 8 benefits to reduce 8 benefits of being physically fit. Number 1 is reduce risk of disease. When you are physically fit, ibig sabihin nun, hindi kayo mabilis dapuan ng sakit. Kasi when you are physically fit, nag-exercise, kumakain ng tama, kaya medyo malalayo tayo sa mga sakit. Number 2 is develop of PF components. For number 3, boost energy level. When you are physically fit, hindi kayo yung mabilis mapagod, may energy ka lagi, hindi kayo parang tamad na tamad. So, yun yung number 3. Number 4, relieve stress and improve appearance. Being physically fit incorporates that you are doing exercise, you are eating well, and you are sleeping well. So, pag physically fit ka, hindi ka laging stress. Nasa-stress ka man, pero kaya mong i-manage and improve your appearance. Di ba yung mga nakikita natin, hindi naman ibig sabihin na may muscle ka or bato-bato yung katawan mo, is okay na yun. No? Kailangan pa din, you are physically and you're mentally okay. So, that is number 4. For number 5, it improves overall health and wellness. Number 6, promotes longer life. Siyempre, when you are physically fit, mas gusto mong humaba yung buhay mo. Number 7, identify strengths and weaknesses of an individual. You should know kung ano ba yung hinaan mo at kalakasan mo bilang isang tao. And number 8, identifies talents and potential. Siyempre, kapag ka overweight ka or medyo anon ka sa side na malusog ka, hindi mo makita na baka kaya mo palang magsayaw kahit ganito yung katawan ko. So, being physically fit, kailangan makita mo rin na may potential ka pa doon sa ibang bagay. Also, in physical fitness, we have 2 components, the health-related components and the skill-related components. In health-related components, we have 5. We have muscular strength, muscular endurance, cardiorespiratory fitness, flexibility, and body composition. In muscular strength, it is all about the ability of the muscle to exert against resistance. An example of muscular strength is push-ups because meron kang effort or force na binibigay going up and down. While muscular endurance is the ability of the muscle to use repeated muscular contraction against resistance for a long period of time. An example of this is planking. When you are doing planking, you are putting some effort for a longer period of time. Next one, we have cardiorespiratory fitness. It is all about the heart and the lungs and the ability to deliver nutrients and oxygen. So, that is number 3. Flexibility, ability of the joints to move throughout the full range of movement. An example of exercise for flexibility is sit and reach. So, yung ability mo kung gaano ba kalayo or gaano ba kaya i-stretch ng katawan mo ang isang exercise. Number 5 is body composition, the percentage of fat, muscle in your body. So, ito yung nagko-compute kayo to determine if you are underweight, normal, overweight, or obese. So, those are the five health-related components. Again, we have muscular strength, muscular endurance, cardiorespiratory fitness, flexibility, and body composition. We also have the skill-related fitness. We have 6. We have agility, balance, power, coordination, speed, and reaction time. Agility is the ability to change positions or movements or direction with quickness and lightness. So meaning to say, an example of exercise of agility is the agility speed test. Agility is all about of you moving from one place to another with alertness. So yun po, yung mabilis kumilos, that is agility. Balance naman is the ability to control and maintain positions or movement of the body. An example of this is good posture while sitting down and while walking or while standing. Diba? You need to balance yourself. Number 3, we have power, ability of the muscle to release maximum force in the shortest possible. An example of power is by punching. When you punch someone or when you punch a thing, nagbibigay ka ng mabilis na effort. So that is power. For number 4, we have coordination, the ability to keep harmonious functioning of muscles in producing complex movements. Pag sinabi natin harmonious, ibig sabihin, sabay-sabay gumagalaw. For example, while walking, hindi ka naman nag-walk na nagsusway yung arms mo ng sabay kung ano yung nag-move ng paa mo. Hindi ka naman nagsusway yung right hand mo or yung right arm mo tapos nag-move ka ng forward ng right leg. Lagi siyang saliwa. So, dapat harmoniously nag-move sila simultaneously. Number 5 is speed, ability to make continuous movement of the same kind in the shortest possible time. Yung gaano ka kabilis. Pag sinabi ko ba sa'yo na tumakbo ka ng 2 seconds, makakabalik ka ba agad sa akin? That is speed. Reaction time, ability of the body to react to the interval of time between the signal to respond or the stimulus. So, the reaction time, meron for example, nagbagsak ako sa'yo ng 100 pesos, yung mga pinapagawa na challenge, yung 100 pesos. Pag binagsak ko siya, gaano ka kabilis magre-react yung katawan mo doon sa isang bagay na nalagyan sa harapan mo. So, those are the skill-related components. We have agility, balance, power, coordination, speed, and reaction time. So, this physical fitness test activity, you will perform this next week when we meet. So, these are the performance that you will perform next week. You have the body mass index, the 3-minute step test, push-ups for 1 minute, planking for 1 minute, zipper test, and sit and reach. These are the exercises or fitness test activity that you will perform when we meet next week. For today, your activity will be passed. This activity that you need to do right now and you will pass next week is that we're going to get your body mass index, compute and identify if you are underweight, normal, overweight, or obese. By getting your body mass index, we have formula. BMI is equal to weight over height squared. So you need to get your you need to get your weight first in kilograms, and you need to get your height in meters. So you need to compute that and do it in a crosswise paper, yellow paper, and you will pass that to me again next Thursday. So that would be all.